You've gotten your shirts cut out. We are going to go through and we are going to notch all of our pattern pieces. So what I've got here is a piece of tracing paper and a pounce wheel. You can use chalk, you can use a plain old number 2 Dixon Ticonderoga pencil. You can even cut little triangles out of your fabric, but there's lots of different options. I'm just going to use this because it's convenient and it should be in your kits. So what I'm going to do is I am going to sandwich the tracing paper over each notch.
And you see how the pattern pieces are all still laying on the table. She hasn't picked them up and moved them around yet.
And I'm going to pick it up, move my fabric back, and you can see where my fabric notch is. You might think this is a boring, unimportant step right now, and you're like, wow, I just really want to get to the sewing. You want to do these notches. I regret skipping this step on almost every project I do, so learn from my mistakes, guys. Everywhere where there's a little triangle, everywhere where there's a little circle, you go through.
On the sleeve, are there 2 notches on the back?
There are 2 notches on the back on our sleeve and 1 notch on the front. That is the universal symbol. 2 notches is for this is the back of the sleeve. If you set your sleeve on backwards, you're gonna end up with a straight jacket, and nobody wants a flamingo print straight jacket.
You also want to mark the dot at the top of the sleeve. That's where it's going to match up with your shoulder seam when you put your sleeve in. All right, happy notching.